formula for our little pups. First is yogurt.
Don't call her in there, Renee. She won't right now.
So we got the Open Nature Greek strain non-fat yogurt.
Or you or whoever. But if you guys feed them, you have to feed them all. You can't just feed 2 of them. Where's Dana?
Dana.
Oh. You're so excited. You know what? Faye loves to feed them. She'll feed them with you.
Really?
Oh yeah, Faye's favorite thing to do is feed the puppies.
They're so cute when they eat. It's like adorable.
Makes Faye feel fulfilled as a mother when she feeds the puppies.
Fulfilled. So there you go. We got 2 full, what you call this? Container of Greek yogurt. I'm gonna make a lot.
We always make this much. It only lasts 2 days.
Okay, tell me the ingredients, honey bunch. First is yogurt.
Greek yogurt.
Mm-hmm.
Liver water.
Okay.
Carol syrup. You can use condensed milk, or you can use evaporated milk if you want it less sweet.
So we use a condensed milk.
Why do you guys put the syrup in it?
Corn syrup. And then
That's what the
egg
recipe
yolk,
calls
right?
for. Yeah, I need one more. I need to get one more egg out of the fridge.
Okay. How many egg yolks?
Egg yolks. 2 per container of.
Just 2 plain yogurt. We
Some
got.
of this in.
How many egg yolk did you put? 4?
2 per container. I could actually put another egg yolk in there because.
And then a little bit of corn syrup. Then we'll put the condensed milk. This is how we make our puppy formula for little pups, helping them to, get more milk. Because I'm not sure if Sugar had enough milk, just to help them out. There you go. We pour the condensed milk. It's just a small 14 ounce of condensed milk. Then we're gonna put a liver broth, right?
Like a draw.
Okay, so we had a vitamin here. What kind of vitamin is that?
They're just baby vitamins.
Baby vitamins.
Just a drop.
So we add a little bit of baby vitamins there, just a drop of it. And then we add a little bit of this.
Oh, I add this S Block stuff. It's a doggy
It's a
new
dog
formula.
powder.
Maybe. Yeah, it's got some
So we put a little bit
stuff in it. It doesn't smell or taste very good, but
Can I see the name of it?
it's made to just mix with
It's
water.
Bilak, yeah. So we just add a couple of about 4 scoops of powder. It's Bilak powder. It's a puppy milk. See. Puppy milk replacer. And we add the broth. Is that their liver or just water? What did you pour in there?
Water.
No, just water. Oh, okay. So we just pour a little bit of water. Yeah.
Line track that was pushed down on. But what was interesting and what cued me to this track was this.
Kind of tricky to make puppy formula, but
Raw and hasn't rained.
when you put it on a bottle and then just add a little bit of warm water and heat it up a little bit and then
This moisture
thin it out.
offset tells me
It's very important that you thin it out because this is very thick. See?
was really
Then Mike will pour
as far away as
a little bit of the liver broth.
the tracker. Extremely significant evidence. Like
There's the
anything else,
liver. So we bought a
evidence
pack of frozen liver and then boil it. We give that liver to Sugar and the broth, we'll add it here
two on this
to their puppy formula.
in this monster.
Okay, so this is what we have right now. It's our puppy formula, and we just add a little bit of water to thin it out and put it in a microwave to warm it up a little bit, about 15 to 20 seconds, and the rest of it we put it on back on the container, this one, and we still have more in the fridge. So okay, and let's feed the puppies.
So it's puppy feeding time at the ranch.
Then why are they flocking to me? Put them in the middle. Put them in the
And
middle so that they don't know where to
here's
go.
the puppies. Dana or Dustin, will you
Yes, what's
point to the puppies with your finger, touch them, and show us their names one at a time?
All right. This is Christy.
That's Christy.
This is Midnight.
That's
Cara.
Midnight. We can only do one at a time, Dana.
This is Ash.
That's Ash.
This light one here is Rover.
That's Rover.
This one here is Jewel.
That's Jewel. Okay,
Um,
that's Max. Oh, Max is a big boy.
This is Candy.
Candy.
This is Chris.
Is that Chris?
Yeah.
Where's Cara?
Cara is this one.
And Cara is a chubby little girl too, huh?
And that's
Oh,
Jewel.
Chara's
Alright.
pretty. Where's Jewel?
Oh my
If you're
god.
Midnight.
Yes, I do.
And where's the one with the white tip on its tail? The black one, it has a white tip on its tail. I think it's the one that's sitting in front of Dustin.
This one?
Yeah, who is that?
This is Midnight.
Let's see. Cara's really neat because she has a white tip. That is just the neatest little white tip. It doesn't even look real. Yeah, and who is that?
Chris.
And Chris has a little white tip
Alright,
also.
Oh my god.
That's really cute.
Right now.